Listen to me. If you are approaching 65, or maybe you're already there and you're still working, first of all, good for you for staying in the game, but we need to talk. We need to talk about your health insurance because what you don't know will cost you. It will cost you in premiums, it will cost you in penalties, and it could cost you your entire financial security if you get this wrong. The question I get asked all the time is, Susie, can I have Medicare and my employer insurance at the same time? And the answer is yes, you absolutely can. But, and this is a big but, just because you can doesn't mean you should without a plan. You have to understand how these two work together, because if you don't, you are going to be throwing money down the drain. Here's the fear that keeps so many of you up at night: if I sign up for Medicare, will I lose my work insurance? Or if I stay on my work insurance, will Medicare penalize me for the rest of my life? I want you to take a deep breath. We are going to clear the fog right now. First, let's talk about the who pays first rule. This is what we call coordination of benefits. If your employer has 20 or more employees, your employer insurance is primary. That means they pay the bills first, and Medicare is secondary. In this case, you might want to sign up for Medicare Part A. It's usually free if you've worked long enough, but you might choose to delay Medicare Part B. Why? Because Part B has a monthly premium. In 2026, that's over $200 a month. Why pay for something you already have through work? But, and listen closely, if you work for a small business with fewer than 20 employees, the rules flip. Medicare becomes primary. If you don't sign up for Medicare Part B the moment you're eligible, your small employer insurance could refuse to pay their share, claiming Medicare should have paid first. You'll be left standing there with a massive hospital bill and no one to pay it. That is a mistake you cannot afford to make. And what about your HSA? Your health savings account? If you are still contributing to an HSA and you sign up for any part of Medicare, even the free Part A, you must stop those contributions immediately. If you don't, the IRS is going to come knocking with tax penalties that will make your head spin. Now, here is your actionable takeaway. I want you to go to your HR department tomorrow. Not next week, tomorrow. Ask them 2 specific questions: is my coverage considered creditable by Medicare standards, and does my insurance pay primary or secondary to Medicare? If you have creditable coverage from a large employer, you can wait to sign up for Part B until you actually retire. You'll get a special enrollment period of 8 months to sign up without any late penalties. But if your coverage isn't creditable, or you're at a small firm, you sign up for Medicare the minute you turn 65. No excuses. You have worked too hard for your money to let it slip away through a paperwork error. Be smart, be informed, and most importantly, be secure.